I'm gonna go on a few reasons why chickens are the best food source for your slimes. First of all, chickens, they don't die, which means you don't have to actually take care of them. You don't have to put them in food silos. Yes, they do age, but this aging doesn't really hurt that much. Yes, aging does cause them to not be, I don't know, maybe the right type of chicken, but it's still meat. Yeah. Number 2, chickens actually AI, which is, I don't know, it's cool. They make sounds. They talk. Number 3, chickens. Well, you see, chickens, if you have baby chickens, you can just throw them in a slime's cage, and they're basically like a delayed snack. Number 4, you can have yolky slimes with chickens. I might already say that, probably didn't. And for the last reasons, you can have so many chickens. Like, you can have more chickens than you can have of just fruits, vegetables, carrots. I hate carrots. I think you can tell. And yeah.